the next day. I didn't end up filming my workout last night because I did like a 45-minute like core workout that I just needed to get done because I messed up my back the other day, so apologies. But I wanted to show you guys what I just got in the mail for the fall. How freaking fun is this? Uggs, kid you not. I got the mini classic Uggs, ultra mini classic Uggs. Yes, I have a gigantic foot. Let's open these suckers up. Just showered, bathed the dogs, and our shower is a hot mess, so I've got to clean that up. I'm not going to show you. But before I get cleaned and everything and do this, before I get really dirty, I'm going to go do a workout downstairs. I need to get my glutes and my core. Kind of a late night. This is sometimes all I have in the day left, so I use my nights and I work out down in my basement. And if not, like go to your gym. I just don't want to drive 20 minutes to my gym, so I'm just doing it here. So here we go.
Hey, this might come out as total madness, but just wait. So excited because today is a Saturday. I'm about to go run some errands. Bailey has some packages that I need to take to FedEx and UPS, and then I'm gonna go to the gym. The workout I filmed the other day was just kind of like getting back into the vlog style, so I kind of want to show you guys my real workout today because I filmed last night's workout, so this is gonna have like 3 workouts in it basically from this week. So I'm gonna show you guys everything. Let's go take these packages to FedEx and UPS. Oh, I also need some caffeine, so we're gonna go take a stop at Starbucks. Okay, so I'm at Starbucks and I'm trying the pumpkin cream cold brew for the first time. I have been eager to try it because everyone talks about it, so I got it, but I got it with sugar-free vanilla instead because I think they put vanilla in the actual cold brew and I wanted it to be on the healthier side, even though it's probably not the healthiest drink. I've been drinking water. This is my third one of the day, so I'm about to go to the gym. I just needed a little oomph before my workout, so hopefully this gets it done. Oh my god, I forgot I was filming this for you guys, but I just tasted it. Oh, this has got to be a special treat. I cannot make this with a thing because it's so good. Oh my gosh. And luckily we have a roundabout. Let me taste it. Holy pumpkin spice. Holy, holy, holy. Bless the pumpkin spice gods. And bless the Starbucks gods. Oh my god.
I belong to you. I belong to you. Do just what you want. You're the one I trust, and I always be around when I need some loving, baby. No one else. Yeah. Let you down. Take me to your heart.